Hello, dear students. This is the last topic of the lesson is matter around a sphere. Uh, this last topic, it is actually the types of pure substances. Uh, what are the types of pure substances actually? There are two types of pure substances. One is element and second is compound. What is element? Element, it is a basic form of matter. Basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any means. No, if something is pure which cannot be broken down into next simpler substances, that means the purest form by chemical reactions or anything. Elements can be metal. The elements can be, they can be metals, non-metals and metalloids. For example, metals, they are malleable. The properties of metals, non-metals, and metalloids, you have studied them. For example, metal is in iron, copper, gold. Non-metal is oxygen, nitrogen is there. Metalloids are these, silicon is there, germanium is there. These are metalloids. Metalloids are having the characters between the metals and non-metals. Now, what is compound? Compound is a substance composed of two or more elements. For example, oxygen is the oxygen atom. It is another oxygen atom. The two oxygen atoms, they get combined to form two atoms, that means O2, or hydrogen and oxygen, two atoms, they form the H2O. That means it is a substance composed of two or more elements. Either two or more elements chemically combined together in fixed ratio. They are having fixed ratio. For example, water is having hydrogen 1. Hydrogen have 1 contribution and oxygen are 2. 2. This hydrogen to H2O. That means hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. That means 2:1. It is having fixed ratio. If you try to alter or change the ratio, for example 3:1, it will not. This is not water, or you can say HO, it is not water, only fixed H2O, that means hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1, it is water. This fixed ratio, it is the basic characteristic feature of compound. Then what is the difference between compound? There are two, that means two substances or two elements form compound, two or more. Then what is the difference between compound and mixture? The difference between compound and mixture is mixture and compound. Mixture is composed of two or more elements or compounds mixed together. For example, if we have two or more elements, for example, element of oxygen is there, or you can say nitrogen is there. Two or more elements, or hydrogen is there, oxygen is there, hydrogen is there. Elements, when we have two or more elements, and then we or you can say compounds, then we mix together, they form mixture. But in compound composed of two or more elements combined together, that means only elements. Here you can add elements as well as compounds, but in compounds, a compound is only formed of elements. Next is mixed in any ratio. You can mix or you can form the mixture in any ratio. For example, add oxygen, or you can say water plus sugar. Water plus sugar in any ratio. 1 liter water, 2 kilogram sugar. 2 liter water, 1 kilogram sugar, in any ratio. But in case of compounds, it has definite ratio, like water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, that means carbon 1 and oxygen 2. That means this is a fixed ratio. In compound there is fixed ratio. Next is show properties of components. How many components are present in a mixture? That means 2, 3, 4, and the mixture shows the properties of all these components. But the compound, it shows different properties than its components. So component can be separated by physical means. We can separate the component because you have studied that separation techniques. Evaporation is there, condensation, sublimation is there. These are physical techniques by which you can separate components from the mixture. But in case of compounds, cannot be separated by chemical method. You cannot separate the components of the compound by physical methods, but can be separated in chemical methods or chemical reactions. In chemical reaction, you can separate the compounds. Thank you. Have a nice day.